So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And now this will come up. Once you run this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first, you want to expand history class's root. And now you want to expand msi.package. We're going to scroll down until we find, it might be a bit hard. We're going to find msi.package. Here it is. You want to find msi.package, expand it. And now you want to expand shell. Now once you've expanded shell, you want to right click on it and then click on new and then click on key. You want to call this run as all in lowercase and then click on enter. Make sure that you're now in the run as folder. Again, you can follow everything that I did so far up here. Now once you're in the run as folder, you want to find default, double click on it. In this box on the value data, you want to type in install space as space and administrator. This will be down below in the description. You can copy and paste it if you want to. If you decide to type it, make sure that you spell it the same way how I did and then click on OK. Next, you want to right click on the run as folder and then click on new and then click on key. You want to call this command. Again, all in lowercase and then click on enter. Make sure that you're now in the command folder. You want to find default, double click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to type in msiexec space /i space apostrophe %1 apostrophe. Spell it the same way how I did, or you could just copy and paste it and then click on OK. For the last step, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.